Hello, we are at SharpNeck Competence Days 2024 in Krakow, and my guest is...
Hi, I'm Marc Schiedl. I'm the sales manager of BrightSign, responsible for your territories.
We know each other last year, I suppose last year it was, we talked together, but now it's another occasion, very special here for SharpNeck, but you present BrightSign. BrightSign manufactures media players and provides free software and network solutions for the commercial digital signage market worldwide. Could you explain in some words, please?
Yeah, actually, BrightSign is a US company based in the Silicon Valley. So our headquarters in San Jose, so directly where the magic happens. That's what we say. And we are US based, but we are basically operating worldwide. So we are selling and distributing and have projects in 130 countries worldwide. So it's not only US, but Latin America, it's Europe, it's Asia, APEC. So yeah, we are basically a lot of worldwide customers. Like if you think about Microsoft or corporate environments or HSBC Bank or everywhere in the world where you see a GoPro action camera in a retail store and you see an action video playing on a screen, it's a BrightSign behind. So we really operate worldwide and offer our service to also global companies which sell their stuff worldwide, like Bose, Sonos, and a lot of others, or chains like Chanel. So everywhere in the world where you see a Chanel store, there are BrightSign players inbuilt, right?
So everybody who like to make shopping in Chanel shops, remember it. What new products from your offer you would like to present here in Krakow?
You know, we have a range of players with our free software coming, and the idea is, so we have a Series 5 now, so the product is evolving. Our company exists since 17 years, so a long time in digital signage, and we are now in the Series 5, so that's how the product line is called now, with a lot of new features, quicker processors, and more power to drive interactivity and all the other stuff. We have a range of players from an audio player to a cheap full HD player up to a 4x4K player. So a big range in Series 5 now, so updated product line. But one product to highlight is for sure the XC5. It's called the new series, which is multi-output, which can do 4x4K. And this line we opened up also for Windows. So you know, our BrightSign player stands for reliability, stability, security with our BrightSign OS. But we have some clients which use other CMS softwares like Scala or Taylor Logos or some other big brands, and they need a Windows stack on the players to play out all their stuff. And we can provide that now with a new XC series. So if anybody is interested to test and use our players for that, that's what we are also showing today.
So stability, but with high quality.
Absolutely, yeah. So our main goal is really to provide reliability and stability. So our failure rate is below 0.1% in the field, right? So we have projects with 10,000 players, 12,000 players, and so on. So you can imagine if you produce like 4 or 5% failures, like a PC product does, like Windows updates, like failures, like blue screens, whatever. It's super super inefficient if you have multi-thousand locations to support that, right? And we want to make sure that our player sits and works all the time. So we have watchdogs, we have health classifications and stuff like that to check all the players in real time to make sure they're running every time.
Right. Interactive signage experiences brought to life by BrightSign Trade in Program. What is it?
Yeah, you know, as digital signage projects evolve, so like 5, 6, 7 years ago, we changed a analog placard to a screen, right? But now we are changing a looping screen into interactivity with the customers. So we try to engage with the customers with touch, with sensors, with lift and learn, such kind of technology. So we, with our new product line, they're all built for interactive experiences. And what we have done with the trade-in program is we have a lot of clients which use our players since years, and they are getting old now. But as they are not fail, right? So they're staying 10, 12, 14 years in the market.
Too stable.
Too stable. Let's say it that way. So we said, okay, we have to offer our clients something to go to the next level with digital signage, use our new technologies. So the trade-in program enables customers with old players, like older than 8 years, so they can send the players in and they get a new version of our players if they send in the old stuff, and we will make sure that the old stuff is properly recycled. So that's also our statement to sustainability, right? Because we think we have to recycle commitment to sustainability, because we think we have to recycle them well. Yeah. We have also a lot of programs regarding sustainability. For example, our players are built to last, and we support them with 8 years with actual software. The players run basically forever because it's a solid state platform, so there's nothing which can break, there's nothing which can move or something like that. And in the actual production, so when the players work, they tend to need just 5 to 8 watts of power instead of like 50 as a standard PC. So we use a lot less energy to power up the displays. Yeah, so we think it's a very good option also for sustainability.
It's very important today. We talk a lot about sustainability also, behind AI, of course.
Yeah.
Thank you for this conversation, for this interview. And if you would like to see more video about Sharpening Competence Days on our channel, Kanał IT, please open YouTube. Bye.
Thank you.